Your Holiness, what is the message that you'd like to give to the more brighter future for India?
India's culture over 3,000 years, mainly ahimsa and karuna. These 1,000-year-old India's message, not only in this country, but the whole world need ahimsa and karuna. So now, India, sometimes I feel Puja important, but more important is, you see, training. How to develop willpower of ahimsa. That depends on karuna. More karuna experience there. Everyone, entire humanity, consider our brothers, sisters, and scientifically say one human community. So therefore, the 1,000-year-old India's tradition of karuna and ahimsa, I feel, I'm quite convinced world need the 1,000-year-old India's tradition of ahimsa and karuna. Too many sort of violence on this planet, and too many weapons, and produce more weapon. Weapon means killing. Problem which we are facing today cannot eliminate by killing. Here, compassion and sense of one community. That is the only way to reduce these problems.